Good morning to you all 10th class students. I welcome you to the English class. So today I start unit 4, the first lesson, Randes was Rithre. What's the lesson? Name of the lesson? Randes was Rithre. Okay, sit it. It is the unit concept is, that means what is the main idea is film and theatre. Whole 3 lessons based on film and theatre. You can see it. Try to understand what I am trying to tell you. From the first lesson, how Satyajit Ray, the film director, famous film director, during 1961 year up to 1966 and also afterwards also his works are seen. 1991 up to that he was existed and he was introduced to the Canadian priest. I suppose Canada is in North America, you see it. And that very Canada is a very busy country. You can see the international airport also there is, Canadian airport. You can see it, how busy it is, how much it is developed. From there, the Canadian priest Robert, Gaston Robert, his name is Gaston Robert. Try to understand. His name is, the Canadian priest name is Gaston Robert. His profession is priest, the Christian priest. Priestly people, you may be thinking that here in India, priestly people all know they don't go to cinemas and so on. But here in other countries it is not like that. They watch the TVs at home and so on. It is not that much serious sin for them. Okay. So that is why this Canadian priest is got introduced to the films of Satyajit Ray. I'm very sorry. Satyajit Ray, the world famous film director. How he was introduced to? When he was watching the TV, when he was watching the TV, he happened to see the film which was directed by the film director Satyajit Ray. In that film he has seen very, very strange, peculiar things which happened in India. The dressing habits of Indians, rural areas and also tribal areas. This all he watched very, very carefully. So he wanted to watch these 3 films at one sitting. That means how much he was fascinated by the work of Satyajit Ray, you can understand. He wanted to watch 3 films at one sitting. That means you can understand, I suppose. Yes, by sitting like that only continuously, he watched 3 films. And in that, he could understand the lifestyle of Indians. And not only that, their culture. And rural areas and also tribal areas, how the people behave. And their culture in dancing and also talking and having fun with each other. Yes, you can see completely in those pictures. Yes, he has nicely depicted that. He showed it. That is why the Canadian priest Gaston Robert, he thought it is very fascinating. Oh, these three works, this much interesting, I suppose. If I watch or if I meet the director, it will be very, very interesting for me. So I wanted to introduce myself to the film director, famous film director, Satyajit Ray, he thought. You can see, children, that is what here. First, I wanted to read the first paragraph for you very clearly. You can have the clear picture of how he was introduced to the films of Satyajit Ray. Gaston Robert, the Canadian priest, how he was introduced to the films of Satyajit Ray, the greatest film director. You can see. I wanted to read few lines from the lesson. You can try to look into your books. Randis was with Ray. 4th unit, Films and Theatre. The first paragraph tells you like this. It was a unique friendship, a strange friendship developed between a French-Canadian priest and one of the world's greatest film directors, and had a singular impact on Bengali films both academically, practically. That's what. Year-wise, every year to year, his films are so fascinating that he used to make films, every year new films he used to make. So, that had a great influence on the life of or in the mind of the Gaston Roberts, the Canadian priest. So, he thought to be introduced to the greatest film director, Satyajit Ray. He made up his mind to go and meet the Canadian priest. So, how he has to come to New York. From Canada to New York, he came. From there directly to West Bengal, that means India, he reached to, then directly, yes, he was there. He came to visit the film director, the Satyajit Ray. So how he was introduced to that? How he came? He has got so many reasons to meet Satyajit Ray. What are those? You can see practically. And it was en route to India in 1961. On the way. En route is on the way. He was coming to India simply to meet Satyajit Ray. Why? Because he was so much interested with his films and the Indian people. It is told in your lesson that he fell in love with the Indian people because of their lifestyle, their culture, and their way of acting. They are very, very perfect actors in the films. He has seen, very interestingly, 3 films he could not forget at all. You can see that. That 26-year-old Father Gaston Robert was acquainted with one of the works of Satyajit Ray through Apu trilogy. The character Apu trilogy, 3 films. With the Apu trilogy, with the character Apu, yes, he was introduced. Gaston Robert was introduced to the films of Satyajit Ray. He found the world of Apu so interesting, fascinating that he saw all the three films in one sitting. There began a long-standing love affair with the people of India and Bengali cinema and culture. That is what. He wanted to see directly how the film, how the people of India, how they are behaving, the way of life, and also their development, their culture, each and everything he wanted to see. That's what. That is why he has seen here, he came to India. You see. So, next sentence telling you, and there began his long-standing love affair with the people of India and Bengali cinema and culture, which led to the path-breaking work of those fields. In his latest book, Satyajit Ray Essays, Manohar Publishers in New Delhi, his essays were published from the year 1970 to 2005. A compilation of his essays on the name suggests. Compilation. He compiled, he wrote the essays, explained to the people. The Canadian priest, Gaston Roberts, what did he do? He took all the books, essays, and he read them. He explained to the people very, very clearly the works of Satyajit Ray. Really, his works are wonderful, creative, and the people wanted to learn the culture of India. That is what. He showed very clearly the lifestyle of Indians. The original analysis of Ray's work giving an insight into the greatness of Ray, both as a person and as an artist. Gaston Roberts learned about Satyajit Ray. Not only as he has got introduced to, not only personally, but also he was greatly interested and fascinated with his work. His work is very, very wonderful. You can see it. And after he came, Gaston Roberts, the Canadian priest, he was there. He stayed at St. Xavier College in Calcutta. St. Xavier College in Calcutta he stayed, and about 9 years took for him to meet with Satyajit Ray, the film director, his friend, who is treating as his friend. They were so close, but in mind and talk they were so very, very close, but they did not see face to face. That is what. He was eager to see and meet Satyajit Ray. That's why he came to India. But he did not see just as a piece of museum. That means, let me tell you, when we go to the museum, yes, just we visit one item by item, we visit and see the things and go pass away. Why? Because once in a while we visit museums. We don't go to museums every day or every month or every year. That's what. So, the pieces which are, or the things which are kept, the relics which are kept in the museum, we wanted to see them for few minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes or something like that. But we don't look at them hours after hours. We don't have that much time. As a museum piece like he don't want to see and meet Satyajit Ray. He wanted to meet him and introduce himself to Satyajit Ray. Why? Because he has got interested with his work. Not only that, with Indian people. First of all, the main idea to come to India of Gaston Roberts, he is attracted with the lifestyle of the life of Indians very, very greatly. I wanted to say to you. That's why he told. He fell in love with the life of Indians. He wanted to learn. That's what. That is why, as one of the Indians, Satyajit Ray, the greatest film director, it is very, very lucky. He was very lucky to see him. He's feeling that he was very lucky to come to India and look at the people and yes, learn about the people and Satyajit Ray works and also his establishment of his cinematography. The greatest film institute. He wanted to talk to Satyajit Ray personally, not just because one dialogue having and afterwards going. No, he wanted to talk to him personally, learn about him, learn about his work, and deeply he wanted to know about his establishment of cinematography. That's what. That is why. Shall I tell you, children? How many years he has waited? 9 years he waited to meet Satyajit Ray. Gaston Roberts waited for 9 years. What is the reason for that? He don't want to look at him and come away. That is not his idea. His main idea is to go and talk to him deeply, know about his work and about his films and also how he has directed. The way he has directed he was so greatly fascinated to learn about all these things. So 1 hour or 2 hours is 2 hours is not sufficient for him to be introduced to Satyajit Ray. That's what, children. Try to understand what I am trying to tell you. Why 9 years took? He wanted to have a personal touch with him. With his work, all the plans for his establishment of this cinematography, the Film Institute, that is what. But when he waited and sometimes going and standing there as the people are going in the line to have a talk with Satyajit Ray, he is also sometimes going and coming. But that time is not sufficient for him. That's why coming back. Waited and waited until 9 years. So afterwards, he got a chance to meet Satyajit Ray, the world's greatest film director. Yes, he got a chance. And he talked of so many things. What are the things he has talked? This Film Institute, establishment of Film Institute, not only that. How to develop this? How to introduce to other countries? How to spread the culture of the Indian people? And also plans for the running the institution of the financial support, about the financial support. He talked with Satyajit Ray. That's what his plans are. Simply he don't want to talk and go away. His plans are different. That is one. And he waited. He worked in St. Xavier's College the remaining part of his life. You see, children, I wanted to tell you here. The people from other countries, they don't want simply sit, though they have got money enough and so on, they don't want to sit simply. Laziness is no, they don't want to be lazy. Simply sitting, for them it is not interesting. They wanted to work and support for themselves. That's what. Not like some of the rural areas of Indians. No. That's why working in Xavier College, he started supporting for himself and also, yes, waited for 9 years to meet with Satyajit Ray. Come on. Can you understand what I am trying to tell you? That's what. And as days are passing, months are passing, years are passing, people could understand about Satyajit Ray. And Robert, Gaston Roberts, the French-Canadian priest. And also Xavier School, College, he also used to conduct prayers also. He has got that much time. Morning until unless they have got a prayer, they won't come outside. The priestly people. In Calcutta, Xavier College, yes, all the lecturers, some of the students, they used to attend the prayer meeting early morning and afterwards they go for work. And when he was talking to other people, he used to tell about Satyajit Ray so greatly. Children, try to understand. That means you can understand how much he was interested with the work and yes, with Satyajit Ray. He used to walk on the roads of Calcutta to know about the people, the culture and the traditions. And in the middle, he used to stand there and used to pray also. How people are going to the temples, how they are worshipping all their idols, that means the gods, images of gods. He used to look at them. That means how much they are religious minded. They are so religious minded that people are now everyone line coming to the temples and praying. And yes, their life was influenced. It had a great influence on the mind of Gaston Roberts. But I wanted to tell you here, children, some people, whoever they saw, such Gaston Roberts, they used to wish him and talk to him, and yes, when he was talking, they are greatly interested to spend time, some of the people, but let me tell you, yes, some people, what did they think? They thought that this Gaston Roberts came to India not to influence the life of the people. No. But what is the influence? They criticized him. They criticized him that, and because of to take the culture and what all the rural people, how the rural people are behaving, what is their culture, the condition, the poor condition of the people, the criticism of the people of India, some of the minds. I wanted to tell you, one example from your lesson only. How Satyajit Ray was disturbed once. He was some of the people coming and he has got a Charulata manuscript, the story of Charulata. He wanted to make a film on that story, basing on the story. Charulata's script he had gone through and kept on the table. From the city, some about 5-6 people came to see him, meet him. He talked to them when they came, and so much time he spent and discussed and so on. He went inside his room to bring, some more documents or some more papers he wanted to find out. When he went inside, what happened shall I tell you, children? One of these fellows who came to see him, meet him, he found that Charulata manuscript was kept on the table. He found and he completely taken it and kept in his pocket. It was missed. Charulata manuscript was missed. That means that person has taken away. And Satyajit Ray came as usual, came to his place and he was talking. Gaston Roberts also was there. And he did not say anything. Where is the manuscript? He asked, but who has taken? He did not ask. Why? He is so good person that. He's a very good person that. He don't want to hurt the fame of the people. He don't want to put them to shame. He don't want to put them to shame. That's what. That is why he did not hurt the people who has taken away the Charulata manuscript. That's what, children. That is his nature. Very shy in nature, but very sincere, very, very perfect in his behavior. Silent man. And Gaston Roberts loved him so much. They used to buy friends, they became close friends. They planned for the establishment of the Film Institute in Bengal. The Film Institute in Bengal. Yes. And Satyajit Ray said, I will be the co-founder. You will be the founder. You must be the founder. Founder of the Film Institute. My dear friend, I put you, as a founder of this Film Institute which is going to be established in Calcutta. But I will be remained as co-founder only. That's what he said. How much he loved? Yes? He loved more than Gaston Roberts. Gaston Roberts just showed outside, but Satyajit Ray are not like that. Whatever the feelings he had in his mind and heart, they were hidden. The feelings of Satyajit Ray were hidden in the mind, but sometimes they are expressed in his work. I wanted to say to you. Children, once again, I wanted to read for you another paragraph. Roberts does not endorse the accusation of race dictators that the master director made his reputation selling India's poverty to the West. That's what. Roberts wanted to show the poverty, poor condition of the Indian people through the films. So, Satyajit Ray agreed for that. What is this? Anyway, we Indians are poor, everybody knows. But it is not that they must not show to the other countries about our poor conditions. They criticized. He did not care for that. Roberts did not care for. Even Satyajit Ray also did not care for that. They never care for that. Criticism. What did they? What struck me is telling that. What struck me most was not the material poverty depicted in the films, but enormous spiritual poverty of some rich people is much more deplorable than material poverty, he said. Roberts does not speak with the arrogance of the West. What did he say? Okay, materially you are very rich. Some people are very rich. Mainly he is concentrating on the Calcutta people, West Bengal. Your culture is rich. You are, so many people are rich here. But I wanted to say that spiritually you are poor. I wanted to say that. Who said these words? Robert, the Canadian priest. Yes, he has seen it, observed it, and had gone through it, and then he realized that their spiritual poverty is much more deplorable than the material poverty. Materially they are okay, no problem, he said. What did he say? Roberts does not speak with the arrogance of the West. He is not making the, Western people so great. You don't want to make it. You don't want to make them so great, but he is telling, spiritually they are greater. Materially they are not that much. But materially Indian people are greater, but spiritually they are not. He is telling. And he is also telling, I was here on the quest to know the world and in the process to know myself. I did not come here to convert. In fact, I am the one who got converted, he said. He said that, as I am a Christian, I did not come here to convert the Hindu people into Christianity. No. I wanted to know about the life of the Indians, that's all. He's directly saying to the Indian people. So then they could understand that this priest is not interested to change the Indian people by preaching. By preaching, he did not want to change them. So that is what he said. But it took him 9 years after reaching Calcutta to know about Calcutta, joining St. Xavier College to muster up confidence, to gain confidence to meet Ray in person. Although I wanted to meet him right away, I did not want to go and see him just as a living museum piece. I wanted to prepare myself, get to know his work more and more, so that when he met, there could be worthwhile dialogue. The valuable conversation I wanted to make with him. That's all. That's why I wanted to meet him and talk to him more time. I wanted to spend with him more time. This is what Gaston Roberts said in his own words. That's what. Not for his own benefit, not for his country's benefit, not for his continent benefit, his people benefit, but to know about the people of India. By knowing, he wanted to tell the other countries' people that Satyajit works are so great that the culture, Indian culture, and also Indian people, way of life of the people, and each and everything he wanted to, show through his films, through Satyajit Ray's films. so that people can learn. Not only this idea, he wanted to fund the film institute. Yes, he wanted to make the Canadian people to fund for the film institute of Satyajit Ray, which is going to be established. Yes, as a founder Gaston Roberts and co-founder Satyajit Ray in West Bengal. That is what. So I wanted to stop the lesson here. We can continue in the next class. Students, you do go through the lesson about 2-3 times and write all the meanings and study the meanings at the back of the lesson. Okay, children, I wanted to stop here and we can meet at next class.